Are you about to start working with a converter, but you're wondering about visiting them first? Keep watching to learn about the benefits of visiting your converter. In this video, we'll discuss the 5 benefits of visiting your converter. The 5 benefits of touring a manufacturer's facility are verifying machines and equipment, observing the state of the factory, meeting with the contacts, inspecting the legitimacy of their products, and reflecting on your own project needs. To determine the legitimacy of a manufacturer's equipment, you can send one of your technical experts to verify the machines and the processes being used to make sure the machines are up to date. Observing the state of a factory, including cleanliness, organization, safety measures, and waste disposal, provides insight into the manufacturer's working conditions and ability to produce quality products. You may also want to look at their inventory to see if they can safely store your materials. Meeting contacts during a facilities tour will allow you to gauge the company's culture, the willingness of the employees to provide clear answers, and the level of interactions building trust in their operations. Observing a company's product legitimacy during a facility tour provides tangible evidence of their capabilities, such as watching material rolls become product in real time, ensuring machines are operational, and assessing the converter's skill. This gives you the opportunity to see how your product is made, which will allow you to get all the information you need based on your project. Mentioning specific capabilities allows the manufacturer to tailor the tour to showcase relevant aspects and facilities. This can spark ideas for your product or manufacturing process. No matter the outcome, you will always have a better idea whether you should work with a particular manufacturer after touring the facility. Visiting your converter is an interesting process where you and your converter can connect. If you have any questions, feel free to visit us on our website or reach out to us directly. Thank you for watching.